Just take me through that steal that essentially clinched the game.
Well, I saw them run four across at the start of the game, and we also run four across. So in my mind, I kind of knew it was a backdoor cut. And then out of the corner of my eye, I saw DJ just go right back door. And then Aaron, I think, threw a lob pass, and I instantly just went for it.
What's it like to one up a McDonald's All-American?
It feels pretty good. It feels pretty good. He got the better of me a couple times during the game, but I got the one play that mattered.
What year are you?
I'm a junior.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have another growth spurt in you? I mean, Sam.
Sam was 6'8", so we can only hope that I have another growth spurt, but you never know.
And to make such a big play at such a pivotal time, just talk about that a little bit.
It was a shock to me, really. Like, I saw it coming, and I just went for it. I didn't realize how big of a play it was actually going to be, but I just let my instincts take over and just went for it.
All right. Thanks.